Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if the quality of this video is a lot better than my other ones, I finally upgraded my phone to an iPhone 6 and I should really try to get a camera. Maybe somebody will get me one for my birthday if I want to really be making more YouTube videos, but as of right now I'm just going to be using this iPhone 6 and hopefully I'll be able to edit and everything will work out. And it's taken me a little bit to get used to, but the quality is like really good. You can see all my wrinkles and everything. But anyway, so I decided that I was going to do a room tour, and so let's just jump into it. Okay guys, so this is how my room looks when you first walk into it. And sorry if you can't really hear me, the air conditioner's on. Just shut the door there. But this is how it looks. Now, it used to not always look like this. Like, it looked pretty rough looking. My mother-in-law and father-in-law, shout out to Carol and Ronnie, we made this happen, and I love it. It's probably my favorite room of the whole double wide. Oh gosh. Anyway, so here's the covers and all the pillows. Got these at Rose's, and my mother-in-law got me this for, I think it was my birthday or Christmas. Got it at Burke's, this whole set. And my sister-in-law Olivia got me these pillows, and I think my mother-in-law Carol got me these. And then this and a pillow underneath it that I need to replace because it looks like crap. Came with that. The pillowcases did. And this one got it, I don't know. And here's a little bear that I sleep with. My mama actually gave me this, or gave this, yeah, to me when she was in the nursing home, and unfortunately she passed away like a month ago. This month will make 2 months that she's passed, and it really sucks. And here's the Bible that I sleep with, and I don't know why my hands look really red, but they do. But anyway, I slept sleeping with it ever since I found out over my leaky heart valve, so yeah, just gives me comfort. But that's the bed. And these rugs, I think my mother-in-law also got for me. And I think she got them at Burke's too. There's the other one over there. Not really sure. And this flooring comes from Surplus Sales, if anybody was caring about the flooring for some reason. And this is my desk where I would record from and everything and do my makeup and stuff at. And this is my husband's tablet and his phone. And there's a fan. Now, we did paint it. Well, I did. But, like, the paint didn't agree with, like, the type of material this is made out of for some reason. And I don't know why. So, I just decided to put this sheet over it. And this basket my mother-in-law got for me, and it did have pretty flowers in it. That was real, but I'm not that good at really taking care of flowers, and they died. But she gave it to me for when my mama passed away and stuff. But I kept the basket, and I planned on putting fake flowers in them. And this, I love this. Like, it's so pretty. Like, look at it. I've always wanted to go to Paris. Maybe someday. I got it at Walmart. It wasn't expensive really. It was just like 14, 15 bucks. Which, I mean, you know, kind of for like a small like picture, you're probably like, what the frick. But look at it, it's shiny. It's so pretty. And there's my big M. I should probably actually put it up somewhere, like hanging up, because it has like these little things. But, oh well, it's just going to chill there on the radio or stereo, whatever you want to call it. And I got that from Row 21. And there's a picture of my little cousin Steven, and there's my little sister and brother, McKenna Layton. And these candles, like, let's see if I can do it. Yeah. This is actually from my wedding. And I just thought it was pretty and stuff. I don't know. This came from my wedding too that we bought from like Dollar Tree. And this ring holder, I've had this for like, I don't know how long. Ever since I was like in middle school or high school or something. There's just a candle. And this church I actually grew up near. And I wish it still looked like that. But it looks like crap now, I ain't gonna lie. It looks terrible now. And I don't think I have a picture of it of how it looks now. But if I did, I would insert it and stuff so you can see, but you don't want to see how it looks because it don't look like that anymore. And I got this from Dollar General. This and these actually supposed to be on that desk, but they're not because I don't know why, but they're not. I guess where I don't have it painted or anything. Well, I did, but well, it don't look that bad there, but let me tell you, it looks like crap. It looks like that and it's ugly. So I put the sheet over it. But I just picked these. What are they? Daisies? Is that what they're called? I don't know if they're called. Anyway. But yeah, I thought it was cute and it kind of goes with that, I think. Maybe. Sort of. Wait. No, it don't. Oh well. Anyway, it's okay. Anyway, got this went to Myrtle Beach the first time, except for this. Yeah, done this second time I went. Got these first time I went. I've only been twice and plan on going to Florida this year in October, and well, there I am. And I'm so excited, but I'm not trying to wish time away. Don't ever wish time away because time goes by fast enough, so don't wish it away. And more time goes by, you're just getting older and closer to dying. So that sucks. But anyway, this is Maren, that's me. And this is me and my husband, obviously, on our wedding day, as you can tell. And this beautiful jewelry box my mother-in-law also got for me. Shout out to Carol for getting me everything. Anyway, and I got some jewelry in here. I just left it open because it's a pain to close sometimes. I got all kinds of... I got like a million chokers. And I should probably wear it more. Oops. These are pictures that I need to put in this photo album, but I was needing more printed out because I was kind of wanting it to be like a story thing of from, I don't know, 16 to where I'm at now in my life. Okay, well, it was a little younger. Yeah. This shirt looks so freaking big. I mean, it is a medium, but I mean, I tied it. Anyway. And I've had this notebook for a long time. It was actually at my mom's, and I'm just like, I want to use it to write in. And I actually have some YouTube ideas written down somewhere. Oh, there they are. Yeah. And that's just my underwear drawer. And this is Tips, who's my husband's underwear drawer. You probably didn't want to say that, oh well. And this just has a bunch of stuff in the rest. And this has a bunch of magazines and stuff in it. This has a lot of junk in it. My husband has more socks than I do clothes, I'm pretty sure. And this has some hats, and here's a long harmonica and other stuff in it. This is where I keep my pants, as you can tell. Guys, I used to keep mine and my husband's pants on an ab chair, or an ab machine thing. Ab chair, yeah, on an ab chair, so we've definitely upgraded. Oh. This is a cute little seashell box thing that I got when we went to the beach for the first time, Myrtle Beach, and Here's the seashells that collected, or the shells, whatever. And this little drawer thing, I don't even know what to call it. I think I've had it for a long time, and I just brought it over here. It was at my mom's. And this is my little owl bank instead of a piggy bank. And ignore that, whatever that is. This is just a mirror. Here I am. And there's my husband.
I look like crap, honey.
Well, too bad. That's what you get for coming in on my video. And this is the closet where I keep all our clothes, obviously. There's all the shoes, and ignore that because I need to put them up. And there's my wedding dress. You can kind of tell in here. Okay. He's gonna kill me. And the chandelier that my mother-in-law also got me for Christmas last year, and I don't know why whatever's like flickering. What the world? I don't know. And this is just our bathroom. And yeah. And guys, I think I showed you everything. Yeah. I think I showed you everything. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.